Good morning from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. Warm Kalima Tuesday morning here, 22 degrees, almost 10 o'clock. We are expecting 26 today, and the sky is quite blue, but still Kalima. Not bad, it's not yellow Kalima. Ocean, very quiet. Charge your batteries with our sun, beautifully warm sun. Let's go quickly up to La Paz for strong legs and strong heart. Let's go. So peaceful morning here. Poseidon is getting ready. There we are. Murder on the Orient Express. I remember the movie. Mirador La Paz. Oh, there we are, now you can see Playa Martianes from here. Oops. Our friend Manfred. Guten Morgen, Manfred.
Guten Morgen.
Was machst du? Alles gut?
Laufen, wandern. Ui.
So happy Tuesday. Best wishes from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.